Streets in a state of emergency.
As many of you know, these past couple years have been absolutely wild. Not unlike many artists, I moved to a new city with nothing more than a little bit of money and a lot of ideas. The rational side of my brain was trying to keep me safe. But sometimes, as cliche as it is, you have to be in tune with what your gut is trying to tell you. And by trusting that, it's led me to some pretty cool places.
Change coming. I'm feeling a change coming.
I quickly realized that nothing is certain in the life of being a creative professional, and it will probably be hard for, well, forever. But I wouldn't have it any other way. And my solution was simple: work harder than anyone else. And with this attitude, I started seeing results. I've met so many inspiring creatives and entrepreneurs. I've had the privilege of working on videos for the largest brands in the world. I've been lucky enough to have the creative freedom to work on some awesome music videos. And last year alone, I was able to start a side project, some online stores, which, to my surprise, ended up pushing multiple six figures of revenue. You see, I'm looking back today recording this voiceover, and it's not to be another one of these internet people that flex their highlight reel and rub it in your face. The reason why I'm making this is to prove that anything you want to do can become your reality. Take it from me, I'm just some guy that made a decision. I'm definitely not done, but I figured it's worth sharing some of these ideas that have gotten me to where I am. So I would say take what you can from my story. I'm super thankful to have learned that everything is up to us. We are what we settle for. And here's to all the self-doubts and sleepless nights. If you learn anything from this video, it's to listen to the Sirens.